Let's work through exam one's true-false section on the spring 2020 past exam. So on the first part, the true-false question is sampling a signal at more than twice its highest frequency will avoid aliasing. This was given by the Nyquist-Shannon theorem, and it is true. Any lower than more than twice the highest frequency of the signal will incur aliasing. In part B, in supersampling the rasterization of n triangles, we supersample each triangle and average down to frame buffer pixels before proceeding to the next triangle. The key word to pay attention to here is the averaging down to frame buffer pixels. And what is wrong about this part, the explanation here, is that the averaging is done per triangle, whereas in the rasterization you implemented in project one, you first supersample each triangle into a sample buffer, and only then, after all the triangles have been processed, average down. So that's false. Part C, the Blin-Phong shading model is a physically accurate model of reflection. That is not true. False. The Blin-Phong shading model is a fast approximation that can produce some realistic effects, but won't be able to model all, such as refraction of light. Part D, rotating by 45 degrees followed by rotating by negative 30 degrees is not the same as rotating by negative 30 degrees followed by rotating by 45 degrees. Again, false. In the case of rotation, since there's no translation involved in the computation, the order doesn't matter.